So the day 3 or third day working on the General here, we are going to get his mid-frame stiffeners on. And we already got, so like I did last time, we got these painted and got them on here. So we're just going to start working on the center pieces. I got to clean that up. Get down here. So we're going to clean all this up. After we clean all this up, I do feel like, yeah, if you look, this looks like it got crushed a little bit, I think by the jack before I put on these rubber boots. So I might have to do some pounding on there. I gotta take this cross member off, clean all this up, take this off so I can get this piece on so we can get it all lined up. I'm going to tack weld it, put this back on as I weld it. So I'm going to get this back on here, put the frame back on, focus, and so that when it's all put on there, it's going to be holding this up, even though it's tack welded when I get this all cleaned up. And then I can go in and weld it on here, and then we'll put the big piece up here after we clean all this up and then get it all on here. So this will be part 3. The reason why we're doing these in parts is because of weather and my leg. It doesn't help that being on my knee for so long just doesn't, that's safe. Yeah. Was Sean from Story to Now safety second? Yeah. I don't think that's what he meant, but yeah, we'll be fine. I didn't take the tires off, and I'm not that fat. So after we get this one done, I might go back over to the rear fender and fix some of the mistakes I made and get that taken care of. And then next Sunday, I'll be working on the driver's side rear fender. So I got maybe 3 more weekends, and then the frame stiffeners will be all done. Sorry this is taking so long, guys. But yeah, I wouldn't be this far along if it wasn't for my friend's help with his garage. He let me borrow it on the Sundays. So definitely give him a thanks.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared.
So I think the reason why this one seems more difficult than last time is I'm trying to be, what's the word, more methodical. Trying to do it right. The other one I just kind of threw together on Catherine. But the other, Catherine's frame was all messed up. I don't know if it was, because I know I didn't beat the crap out of her before I did this. Had to have been when I sold her and bought her back. One of the owners before and after must have beaten her up because I had a hard time putting those frames on too. But this one, it's lining up to the holes. It's just doesn't want to bend and contort to the frame. Like, I don't know, Catherine seems to, it bent better, but I still had to fight it a lot. This one, it seems to fit better, but it doesn't seem to bend as well. Plus, I'm a better welder, and this one, I don't know, I'm still new at this, so it's just kind of one of those things. I think the reason why this one's being more difficult is because I'm trying to do it the right way, and I'm not a professional at this by any means. So,
you're a professional at heart.
Yes, I'm a professional at heart. Just not a professional in a sense of I'm good at this shit. Yeah.
Paint you like one of your French models, alright.
Paint me like one of your French models. Ugh. But yeah, the general is just fighting me. It's being a pain in my butt. But yeah, we'll get there.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, just don't stop.
Alright, so this is not done. I think the welds came out a little better than last time. So I had a fight to get this one aligned. It's still not perfect, but I think my C-clamp just gave up the ghost. I gotta get a new clamp so I can clamp it up there and weld it to the body. But I got the bottom part done. Look at this. Got this tacked on there. It's on there, being held over there and being held over here. I don't know if I would trust it too much. It's not going nowhere. I'm not beating it up, not taking it anywhere. The weld over here. I'll get you guys in the lip. Hold on. The welds over here aren't too terrible. Let's get you focused. You know, they're not too terrible. I wouldn't be asking for a welding job with those welds, that's for sure. These welds are okay. Those are terrible. Those look like shit. That's okay. I mean, as long as there's heat penetration, I guess, and it's on there, I got to tighten that up. All I did was weld it, that button part, onto this frame stiffener. This is primarily welded on there. It's just not up here. I got to get a new clamp to C-clamp all of that on there and get it on there. I gotta do the same thing on this. Gotta tighten it up to the body a little bit more and button weld those. So, I mean, it's not gonna be pretty, but it'll get the job done. Like I said, this isn't one of those. It's gonna be one of those YouTube channels that are. I'm not gonna be doing this a whole hell of a lot. I mean, I'm doing it section by section. It hurts. If you guys want like a perfect how-to, I know there's a couple YouTubers that do this a lot, and they do a beautiful job. I'll probably link them down in the description. I don't remember their names at the top of my head, but they do a magnificent job of doing these. I'm doing this. No lift, jack stands, and a fucked up knee. So, and Harbor Freight garbage. So, I mean, take it as you will. I'm not a professional. These aren't. They'll get the job done, but they aren't gonna be getting me a new job. That's for sure. I'm not. This isn't gonna be a portfolio. Hey, look at my welds. They're so amazing. Yeah, I mean, I think there's a reason why I didn't film it the last time when I was doing it with Catherine, because I was way out of practice compared to now. I mean, I haven't welded in, what, 4 years? Compared to almost 15 with Catherine. So yeah, can you imagine the trash that came out of Catherine? Oh yeah. So
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.